Hello and welcome to another episode of Line Down. I'm Gail Towle with AIM Solder, and today we're answering a question from Marlene who writes, we're having a lot of issues with QFN voiding. Our results are always at or just above the customer specified limits. We've tried switching pastes and adjusting reflow profiles to no avail. What else can we try? Thanks, Marlene. Being that QFNs are often used in high performance and high reliability applications, the fewer the voids, the better. A few years back, we did a study at AIM and uncovered a fairly simple method for significantly reducing these voids. The trick was to design for the input-output pad leads. It turns out that extending the length of the input-output apertures to create up to a 30 mil overprint beyond the lead length resulted in up to 50% void reduction. While we don't know for sure why this happens, we think that because the I/O leads are on the perimeter, they reach liquidus before the center pad. Then, as they melt and coalesce, they lift the component for a very short amount of time, the time between the outside melting and the inside melting. And this enables a brief period of rapid outgassing before the center pad melts and wets and collapses back onto the solder. The end result? Fewer voids. So try adjusting your stencil design to include I/O lead overprinting and see if that helps. If you're still having issues, feel free to reach out. Our AIM technical support team is always ready to help. Until next time.